Are you seeing this right here? And is that worrying you? Okay, are you in fear that you are losing your hair? Well, let's talk about that, all right? Now, people will start to freak out once they see, let's just bring this back, the corners starting to go back like this, okay? Or the hairline receding back in the corner. Sometimes it starts off in the front, sometimes, you know, it starts in the corners here and the front's the same. It starts in the back. I mean, you know, hair loss is something that happens in all different ways, okay? Take, for example, this mannequin right here, all right? When you combine the hairlines, you'll see that this one goes way further back. Now, if you, for all of your life up to this point, or maybe last several months or whatever, you know, your hairline has been absolutely perfect, came down normal, and you're starting to see the corners looking more and more like this is starting to go back more, chances are, and I hate to say this, you're probably losing your hair. It happens, okay? Don't be so freaked out about it. You can shave your head like I do, all right? Now, hair loss, I've done so many videos on hair loss, but because I get so many people, you know, messaging me and asking me, Salon Guy, am I losing my hair? And they'll bring their hair back like this and send me a photo with their hairline all the way back here. And I'm like, well, has it always been like that? If it hasn't been like that, like I just described, you've had a full hairline coming all the way down here in the corners, all this was covered in hair for all of your life, and all of a sudden you're seeing it go further back, yes, most likely you're losing your hair. And it's the same thing with the front. If your corners are fine, but you start to see this going back, chances are you're losing your hair. When it comes to thinning, if you're seeing areas in your hair that like you're starting to see your scalp more and more and more and more compared to how you never used to, there could be a number of reasons. It could be stress, it could be, you know, hereditary, it could be medications or something. There could be a number of things. You could be damaging and breaking your hair, but if you're not doing anything different and you're starting to see more scalp, the corners of your hair are starting to go back more, things are starting to change in your hairline, chances are you're probably losing your hair. Now, it doesn't mean you're gonna go bald in like 3 days from now. It just means that you have to now start to adapt, and you can create hairstyles and get haircuts like this. Look at this, look at this. You would never know that this mannequin had a hairline pushed back so far because of the haircut. So all you have to do is create a haircut that camouflages it or that covers those areas. If your hairline is going back or it's a little more thin in the front, well, maybe it's time to create a shorter, more crop style that covers the hairline in the front so no one will know, right? Bring more hair forward this way, create maybe like some layered, some texture right throughout the front here. And there's always options. You can shave your head, you can wear a hair system, you can do so many different types of things to really, work around the hair loss and stuff like that. So again, if you are seeing something different in the hairline that you've never seen before, chances are yes, but don't worry, it happens. Like literally, this is something that men deal with, even women, but men mostly deal with this, on a regular basis, okay? And that's it. So that's it for today's video. Let me know if you found this helpful. Let me know if you're experiencing this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.